Hello, so I'm Juan Mondragon. I'm based in the University of Bristol Business School, and I really like this event that we have today. I think we reflected on three issues. First of all, how can we integrate simulations into our teaching? Second, how to use actually these simulations, what are the not only the pedagogical aspects but also the practical aspects, and finally how to use VR in teaching, which I thought was very interesting. So the three activities were very useful for my teaching. I'm currently developing a new unit, and the purpose of what I found useful from this workshop is to integrate this into a better student experience, also a better lecturer experience. So yeah, that's my highlights of the event.